So I'm going to start doing this thing every Monday. I'm going to talk about an urban legend, and I'm going to do my makeup at the same time. Picture this, 1995. It's late. Bus is leaving. Couple gets on, old lady gets on, young kid. They're driving for a minute. They are heading to Fragrant Hills in the Hayden district, right? Soon the driver saw two people on the side of the road. They're skeptical because some say that there was three. So the older lady that gets on, the couple gets off the bus. They're fine. They're like, you know what, we're getting off this bus. We're at our stop. Well, the younger kid is still on the bus with this old lady. And the old lady keeps going off on him, telling him like, oh, you stole my wallet. And this kid is like, I did not steal your wallet, lady. Like, you are crazy. She insists that he stole her wallet. So, the kid finally agrees to... Sorry, I'm having technical difficulties. The kid finally agrees to just get off the bus with her and just go to a police station and they'll sort it all out, whatever. So, they get off the bus and this lady looks at him and she goes, I just saved your life. Those were ghosts. What the fuck do you mean? Those were ghosts? Apparently, I have it up here. Hold on. I'm just doing my eyes tonight, just so everyone knows. So then, days go by, and this bus has still not shown up anywhere. This bus is missing in action. M-I-freaking-A. So they're looking for it. Well, finally, they find it in an abandoned lot, miles and miles away from where the destination was that I was supposed to go. And on top of that, there is the conductor, the driver, and a body of a woman in the bus. Now, next time, these will be longer. I'm just getting started, like, trying to see how I do, if I'm comfortable on camera, and if I'm awkward, I don't know. This is my eyeshadow. Ew, it matches my pajamas.